My beautiful people, how are you all doing today? I love you so much. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to talk about damage caused by skin bleaching. So skin bleaching is when you use a product to on your skin to achieve a lighter complexion. It can be in our skin has this pigment called melanin, and melanin is determined by a cell called melanocytes, and melanin is what gives our skin the color that we have, and the color that we have is based on genetics, but it can be affected as well by sunlight. It can be affected by hormonal changes, pregnancy, and most especially skin bleaching cream. So skin bleaching creams, especially the ones that contains mercury and hydroquinone, reduces the amount of melanocytes that your skin produces, and because of that causes your skin then to get lighter. But what happens when it doesn't come out the way you want it? And then the whole side effect, the whole damage happens, which is what this video is about. This is a very long awaited video, so here I am to talk about it. Let's talk about the side effects of skin bleaching. Mercury and hydroquinone are very poisonous chemicals which can cause a lot of damage to your skin. It can cause your skin to have skin cancer. It can cause you to develop a problem with your thyroid. It can make your skin to become more sensitive to sunlight, and even more sensitive to any skincare products. It can cause your skin to have blisters, especially when you use a very strong, all these drugstore creams, bleaching creams. It can make your skin to have a very strong blisters on it, and it can make your skin to become very irritated. A lot of irritations can happen on your skin, and it can cause your skin to have an irreversible hyperpigmentation, which is there's a lot of damage that skin bleaching can cause in your skin. Well, I'm not here to preach against it, but I'm here to talk about the damage that it can cause to your skin as well, and how you can remedy it. Skin bleaching is a personal choice. It's up to you to know you're doing the right thing or you're doing the wrong thing. Another side effect that skin bleaching can cause to your skin is kidney and liver failure. It can make you to age really quick. Yes, that is one of the very worst thing that skin bleaching does to your skin. So let's talk about benefit. Is there really any benefit that skin bleaching gives to your skin? Well, according to science, there is no underlying benefit that skin bleaching gives to your skin. But if it's being prescribed by any of those, the creams or pills, or soaps, is being prescribed by a dermatologist or a skincare specialist to treat maybe any specific skin issues, let's say severe acne or hyperpigmentation, a dermatologist will be able to tell you, okay, use this percentage of this cream, or this percentage of this particular pill, and use it for a certain period of time, and stop using it after the problem that you have on your skin has been solved. So guys, what are the remedies the things that you can do when your skin has been damaged by skin bleaching. What can you do to bring your skin back to normal? The first thing I'm going to say here is you really have to be patient when it comes to, rebuilding your skin to what it used to be. Yes, you have to be patient. There is no quick remedy. It's something that will take weeks, months, or even years for your skin to get back to the normal color that it used to be. And sometimes, to be honest with you, it depends on your skin type. Your skin may not really go back to that particular color that it used to be. But there's no harm in trying. You can try to do a few things that I'm going to mention here today that can help your skin. So you need things that can regenerate the cells in your skin, and that is where this comes up. This beauty here, this baby. Make this your sweetheart, make this your darling, make this your best friend. Vitamin E capsule. Yes, vitamin E capsule promotes cell regeneration and yes, healing of your skin, and because it has a very strong antioxidants, which is what will help to that skin regeneration, which is what will help in healing that skin tissue that you've damaged. And you can take this directly on your skin. You could just take one, poke it with a pen, and just apply it on your face. You can leave it on your face all day, or any part of your skin where you have the pigments, all over your body. Sometimes you can mix it up with aloe vera gel, 100% natural aloe vera gel, and apply it overnight. The next day you wash it. Do this every single day, at least for 6 to 8 weeks at the beginning. And another remedy here that I have is almond oil, sweet almond oil. Don't know if you can see it. Sweet almond oil is very good in skin hydration, because when you bleach your skin, it causes your skin to dry, causes your skin to turn, make it very scaly, flaky, and very dry. So you need something that will hydrate your skin. Sweet almond oil is very good for skin hydration. Vitamin E capsule. I didn't say oil. If you want oil, maybe you can use oil, but vitamin E capsule is what I know that works really well. Some people will tell you, okay, I'll use vitamin E oil. Well, they are vitamin E anyway, so you can try the oil, but the capsule is what I've seen that works well. And you mix it with aloe vera gel and apply it all over your body every single day for a few hours, or you put it on overnight and then wash it off the next day. Now, I have other home remedies. You know how I love my natural product, yes. So I have other home remedies in this video that I'm going to show you as well that works. So don't worry, we are here to work on your skin, and regular use of this product is going to help your skin to bounce back and you look as beautiful as ever. If you want to send me private email, let's talk, let's discuss, and I will give you more info, because this video, you have to have a time limit to do it, so you don't want it to be too long. But keep using this, constant use of it. Be patient. You can even mix the vitamin E in your cream. Yes, you can mix it in any. Stop using the bleaching cream first. Yes, you have to stop using it, and then you can use the vitamin. So put it in your cream, body cream or whatever you're using, and you're applying it every. But be careful of the smell, because sometimes it can smell a little bit. The smell is a bit strong. That's why I said you apply it overnight before you go to bed. So one of the remedies as well is you have to try as much as you can to avoid too much sun exposure. And if you're going out in the sun, try and protect your skin. Wear a UVA protection. Any cream you're using, make sure it has SPF on it. Protect your skin from the sun, because too much sun is going to make it worse. If you don't have the SPF, if you can't get it, you could just wear a cap or something. just to cover your face, or you wear something like long sleeve, you know, just to cover your skin from the sun, because sun exposure makes the pigment, make it worse, make your skin to get dark. So let's go and let me show you the natural products and how to prepare them, and use it regularly, and be patient. It works. I'm telling you it works, okay? I'm telling you it works. I want positive feedback. I want you in a few weeks time to send me a message, oh my goodness, Chika, this really works for my skin, because it works. So guys, I hope you like this video. I love it. I don't know about you. So leave your comment below and tell me you know, if you like the video, if there's any other topic about skin bleaching you want me to talk about. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, you know, support me. I need your support. I'm begging you. I need your support. And click the notification button there so that you'll be notified of any new upload from me. Thank you so much guys for your support, and I love you very much. Take care. Bye.